Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can organize your Gmail inbox like a pro. A cluttered inbox can be overwhelming, but Gmail has tools and features that will help you stay organized. So you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to turn your inbox into a productivity powerhouse. So first you need to use the search bar effectively. This one, search bar. Gmail search bar allow you to find emails quickly. So you can use advanced search operators like for example here you can just has so I'm going to just find email that has attachment in here. You can just click on enter and all of the emails with attachment will be shown in here. You can also find a specific subject of email, for example, subject. You can just find any subject that you want and then click on enter. The second one, you can apply labels to your to your emails. You can labels act like folders, but allow multiple tags for the same email. So you can just select the email that you want here. For example, this one. And then you can click on this label icon and then just create or assign a label. So you can also use color codes for label to quickly identify email categories. You can see here I have this labels on my Gmail. You can also enable multiple inboxes or priority inbox layout. You can go to the settings and tap on see all settings. Click on this inbox tab and then choose in here multiple inboxes. You can see on the inbox type. So if you use multiple inboxes, it will split your inbox into different sections. And there's also this priority inbox that will shows important and unread emails at the top. So you can just choose which one. You can also set up filters that will automatically sort incoming emails using filters. You can again go to settings icon and go to select filters and block address. In here, click on this one. Let's try again. So you can just create a filter based on criteria like sender, subject, or keyword. And you can also set an actions like apply a label, archive, or delete. And you can also archive old emails. You can keep your inbox clean by archiving emails you no longer need in your main view. You can select the email that you want in here and then click on this archive icon. An archive email can be found under all mail. And you can also snooze emails, so you can postpone emails that don't need immediate attention. You can hover over an email and click on snooze icon. This one, and here you'll find a snooze icon. We can just click on these three dots and there will be a snooze. So next, you can also unsubscribe from unwanted newsletter. You can scroll to the bottom of newsletters or promotional emails like this one, and then you can just find the unsubscribe options like this ones right here, unsubscribe. So you can sort your emails neatly. And then you can also use stars and importance markers. You can click on the star icon in here to flag important emails for quick access. And you can also enable importance markers in settings to let Gmail highlight emails it considers important. And you need to also delete or report spam. Regularly clear spam emails. You can click on spams in here. And then you can just tap all or select all. And here click on delete forever. So delete unnecessary emails to free up some space. And the last one, you can automate with Google Workspace add-ons. You can just install add-ons like Trello, Slack, or Zoom to manage tasks directly from Gmail. So by all following these tips, I hope you'll maintain a clean, efficient, and organized Gmail inbox, saving time and reducing stress. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.